Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and add alerts in Streamlabs. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, if you're using Twitch or YouTube, there are two different ways. So simply going ahead into Twitch, let me just show you how simple it has become. All you need to do is go ahead into your creator dashboard and simply go to your stream manager. Alerts right over here, as you can see on the left hand. And now just go ahead and click on create alert box. Once you do that, Twitch is just going to go ahead and make alerts for all of everything. So for example, combos, bits, followers, subscriptions, everything has a default alert, as you can see. However, you can go ahead and customize it straight from here. All you need to do now in order for you to go ahead and import this into your Streamlabs is just copy this browser source URL down over here. Go ahead and open your Streamlabs. And now in the scene where you want to go ahead and add it, simply go ahead and click on source, add source, and go ahead and click on browser source, add source again, and you can simply go ahead and enter this right over here, the link that you just copied. The width and the height of this should be matched with the width and the height of this right over here. And once you do that, simply go ahead and close it, and you can just go ahead and have it anywhere on the screen. Now, all you need to do in order to test it is just simply go ahead and select anything that you want to test. For example, let's say resubscription, right? And just click on send test alerts and open your Streamlabs. As you can see, it's right over here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and move on to YouTube. So if you want to know how you can do it in YouTube, simply go ahead and open your YouTube. And on your YouTube, if you go ahead and look for alerts anywhere, you're not going to go ahead and find it because you need to use an external third party in order to go ahead and do it. So there is a software called Streamlabs or a website. So just like that, go ahead and open Streamlabs. It's the ultimate streamer platform. Go ahead and log into it with your YouTube. Once you've done that, you're going to be right over here, as you can see. And all you need to do is go ahead into your streaming tools, go to overlays, and here is where you can go ahead and add your new overlay. And here is where you can simply go ahead and have all of your alerts. You can also go ahead and customize all the things for your alert boxes, just like that. As you can see, it's subscriber alerts, member alerts, super chat alerts. There's almost everything to it. As you can see, you can just go ahead and have anything here. Now you can emulate it by simply clicking here, just like that. As you can see, new subscriber is there. There's also super chat. You can go ahead and try that. As you can see, there's the tips as well.
Don't touch this.
Now, in order to go ahead and have it, all you need to do is just copy URL for your alerts and just go ahead and do the same process right over here by creating another browser source and simply going ahead and adding another source and just pasting it right over here. So it's as simple as that. All you need to do is just put it anywhere you want, and you can go ahead and test it again if you want to. So for example, let's say tip. And it's gonna go ahead and start here. Make sure that you are aligning this. So the only problem what happened here is that I didn't match the pixels with the pixels that is here. So that was a mistake. However, you're not gonna go ahead and face that problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.